I've just gotten into my room at the Fairmont Royal York, and wow, is it gorgeous. The first thing I noticed is that the surfaces look really clean, and that makes me feel really comfortable, especially staying somewhere during this time. The second thing I noticed is that it does look a little bare. You know, there's no pads of papers, there's no magazines, there's no throw pillows, because those are things that are harder to clean, but they have kept the coffee and tea service, which is really nice because it's a good amenity to have. And I know that if they did keep it, it's because they're upholding their cleanliness standard and cleaning it every time. So walking through the room, still looks really comfortable, even without the little things. And here you'll see there's no duvet or touch pillows, throw pillows, because those are also high touch points. No glass of water next to the bed, but still looks really comfortable and a great place to stay. Walking into the bathroom, first of all, it's beautiful. Second of all, you'll notice still the towels. There's still the single-use shower gel and conditioner, shampoo, and all that stuff. Overall, looks really clean, and I feel really comfortable staying the night here.